this is Friederike from SuperChat, and in this video, I will show you everything you need to know regarding the wildcard element and the wildcard template. So if you haven't seen our video on templates and overall how to create them, how to use them, make sure you also watch that video. In this case, I will specifically show you a case on how to create such a template for using the wildcard element, and then also I will give you some tips and tricks. In this chat, there you can see that the customer care window is closed. So the 24 hours have passed, and now you would like to respond to the message. And in this case, you have your WhatsApp template gallery over here with all the templates that have already been approved by Meta. Maybe you want to individualize that message. Maybe you do not have a template that is really suitable for this case. So this is when the wildcard element is quite helpful. You're going to go into your settings and then on templates, WhatsApp templates, and then make sure you select the correct number. Create a new template, and in this case I would recommend clicking on the template gallery. So we do have some drafts which you can just use, maybe change a bit according to your use case, to the wording that you use for your customers. You can select the language and the type. In this case it's the wildcard, and then choose the general conversation starter. And I think you already get an idea here in the preview, because you have this blue box, the wildcard element, which is also listed here. And this enables you to write whatever you want to, basically, when you choose this template. And then in this case specifically, you would still have the greetings that are always pre-written there already. So you would have the wildcard, which is nothing else than just a placeholder, and then the best regards from London, which will always be there and will be sent with the message. So the wildcard enables you to personalize, individualize the message, and then still have certain standardized phrases and processes which you can cover with this. So I would not only use this, I would always have like such a template on hand, the overall conversation starter. And then also the wildcard element is great if you do not have a great, like not really suitable contact attribute, which you can choose from the list here, but you still want to have a certain, let's call it gap text. So you always want to make sure that you can add certain elements. Maybe it's an address, maybe it's something, a link or anything like that. Then I would just use the wildcard element again to have those phrases that are said that cannot really be changed, and then to have certain parts that you can always edit a bit. So this is everything you need to know regarding the wildcard element. Just make sure you submit this for review. It will be added to your template gallery, and then I wish you great fun with trying this out.